Hello students, now we are taking the question find the value of x and y in each of the following diagrams. Now we have three diagrams here. We need to solve it for x and y. So let's move on to our first figure. Our first figure is here. We can see that y and 120 makes a straight line. Here you can see that this angle y and 120, they are making a straight line. So you know that a straight line makes 180 degree. So y plus 120 will be equal to 180 degree. Straight line will make 180 degree. So from here you can calculate y equals to 180 minus 120, or we can write y is your 60. Now the value of y is 60. Now we know that we have to find out x. We have two ways to find out x. 120 can be exterior angle. We can use that formula, or we can use that x plus 50 plus 60 is 180, because sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. So either we can use that. So let us use exterior angle. So we can write from here that x plus 50, and exterior angle of x and 50 is 120. So from here I can write x equals to 120 minus 50, that is equal to 70. Let's come on to the next problem. Here we need to find out x and y. Now we can see that x and 60 are vertically opposite angle. When two lines intersect each other, then opposite angles are called vertically opposite angle and they are equal. Okay, so from here I can write that x is your 60, which is vertically opposite angle. Now we need to find out y. We have this 60. Now sum of all the angles of triangle is your 180. So from here I can use that 40 plus y plus 60 will give you 180, because sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. So from here I can write y plus 100 is your 180. Now 100 is subtracted on other side, so y equals to 180 minus 100, or we can write it as 80. So the value of y will be 80. Let's move on to the next problem. Here again we can see that 90 and y are vertically opposite angles. So from here I can write that y equals to 90, and the reason will be same, vertically opposite angle. Now this is your vertically opposite angle, so this is your 90. Now we know that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. So from here I can write x plus 90 will give you 180. Now x plus x is 2x and 90 is subtracted on other side, so it will be 180 minus 90, or x can be written as 2x can be written as 90, or x, now 2 will be divided on other side, so 90 upon 2, that is your 45. So the value of x is 45. We have our next question. Here we need to find out the values of x and y. Now here you can see that x and y are vertically opposite angle. Here x and y are vertically opposite angle. When two lines intersect each other, then the angles are vertically opposite angle and they are equal. So from here I can write x equals to y. Okay, now here also this x will be equal to, here this will be also x, because they are also vertically opposite angle. So this is also going to be x. Now here you have x, so the vertically opposite angle here will be also x. Now this is also x, because x is equal to y. Now we know that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180. So I can write x plus x equals to 180. Now x plus x will be 3x. 3x equals to 180. Now 3 is divided on the other side, so I can write 180 over 3, that is 60. So the value of x and y are both 60. Now we come on another question. Here we have 125 and this is your x. So we can see that x and 125 makes a straight line. So when it is making a straight line, they are linear pair and the sum of the angles will be 180. So x plus 25 is 180, or we can write x equals to 180 minus 125, or we can write from here that x equals to your 55. Now the value of x is 55, so this is 55, this is also 55. Now again what we can take, the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. So y plus 55 plus 55 will be your 180. Now 55 plus 55 is 110. So y plus 110 equals to 180. Now 110 is added on this side, so it will be subtracted on the other side. So I will have y equals to 70. Okay. Then we move on to next question. Here we have 50 here, 70 here and x here. So sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. So I can write from here 50 plus 70 plus x is 180. Now 50 plus 70 will give you 120. 120 plus x is 180, or x will be equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60. So now our this angle is 60. Now we need to calculate y. So we can see here in this big triangle, here if I am taking this bigger triangle, okay, so here I will take the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. So here 36 plus y plus 50 plus 70 will be equal to 180. So from here I can write 36 plus y plus 50 plus 70 is your 180. Now here I will add all of them. So y plus 50 plus 70 is 120. 120 plus 30 is 156 equals to 180. Now 156 is subtracted on the other side, or I will get 24. So 24 is the answer. Here we have the question. We need to find out x in the first figure. So here I am starting with first one. Now here you can see that they both are parallel. Here ED is parallel to EC. When two lines are parallel to each other and one line is intersecting, then these two angles will be co-interior angles, and if this is x, then this is going to be 180 minus x, means the sum of these two co-interior angles will be your 180. So here what I can do, here we have 95. Now this is 95, so I can write out the value of this. This will be 180 minus 95. So angle C is going to be 180 minus 95. So from here I can write angle ACB is 180 minus 95, that is 85. Co-interior angles. Reason will be co-interior angles. Now this is your, now we can see in triangle ABC. I am taking the triangle ABC. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be your 180. So I can write x plus 50 plus 85 will give you 180. Now I can add them. So x will be 50 plus 85 is 135. I can subtract 135 on other side. So here the value of x is your 45. Let's work on next question. Here our next question is, we need to find out the value of x and y. So first thing, here I can find out this value because this is a straight line. So first thing I will find out this black angle. So here this will be 180 minus 100 because 100 and this black angle makes 180 degree. It is a straight line. So I can write that this is 80 degree. Now this is our 80 degree. Now in a triangle, if I am taking this triangle, so in this triangle the sum of angles will be 180. So I can write x plus 60 plus 80 will give you 180. Now I am subtracting this on other side. So 60 plus 80 will be 140 and 140 I will subtract on other side. So the value of x will be 40. Now this is your 40. Now I can take the big triangle PQR. In PQR, what I can do here, I can write that angle 3y here, 3y plus y plus 40, y plus 40 plus 60 will make 180. Now 3y plus y will be 4y and 40 plus 60 will be 100, which will be subtracted on other side. So this I am subtracting on other side 100. So 4y will be equal to 80 or y will be equal to 20. Now let's move on to next question. Here our next question is we need to find out the values of x, y and z. So from here you can see that z is equal to your 180 minus 143, or you can write it as 37. So the value of z will be your 37 because it is a straight line. Then x, I can find out x. Here these three are the angles of a triangle. So sum of these will be 180. So x plus 80 plus 52 will give you 180. Now I can subtract it on other side. So 180 and 80 plus 52 will make 132. So I will subtract 132 on other side, or I will get 48. So the value of x is 48. Now I am taking the small triangle. In this x plus y plus z will be 180. So the value of x is 48. So from here I can write 48. The value of z is 37 plus y equals to your 180. Or from here I can write y equals to, now your 47 plus 37 will be 85. So 180 minus 85, that is y equals to your 95. This is our answer.